Hello, what's up guys? It's your boy. Hello, what's up guys? It's Mahe Nangsan and this is actually my first YouTube video, and in today's video we will be going to MAWSAWA Falls, which is located in Sora Cherapanji. So in this trip I will be going with the technical team from church. Our work is quite hectic from time to time, so we just need a day off. Hope that we enjoy and have a great time guys. Right now we're in MAWSAWA guys. So this is right kid. Say hi to the camera, bro.
Yuk. Good.
Teman-teman kita namanya MAWSAWA mau ngimut ya di Shashok dia. Done having tea guys, we'll be on our way again to MAWSAWA Falls. So this is our first destination here in WEISAWDOng, and we'll be going also to MAWSAWA Falls. The stairs leading down to WEISAWDOng, it's a very long way, but it was worth it guys. So now we're on our way to MAWSAWA Falls. See you guys in a bit. So we're finally here guys, and we're having a lot of fun. Jump! Say hi to the camera, bro. So our journey has finally come to an end. So I hope you guys love this video. So please do like, share and subscribe. It's my very first YouTube video. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Stay safe.